The southeastern region of the United States, it's often referred to as the diabetes belt because there's more diabetes and metabolic syndrome there than anywhere else in the country. And obviously, the United States is by far the most metabolically ill population on earth. What went wrong, right? We could talk about that for hours. But I just want to postulate this of, do we think that maybe there's a connection between metabolic illness and mental illness, right? Pretty much no matter how you look at the data all really shows that. So for example, suicide rates on the left side, obesity rates on the right side, positive correlation. Now, of course, correlation doesn't equal causation, but certainly with mental health, there's a huge conversation to be had around, there's the psycho-emotional aspect of mental illness and then the physiological. And I actually have a brain yin yang logo that many of you maybe have seen on Instagram. And that's essentially what that brain yin yang is supposed to illustrate, is the psychological side and the physiological, and how these really get mixed together in a very kind of complex way. It can be really hard to work with individuals, clients, patients struggling with mental illness, because you really have to delineate between the psychological healing opportunities and the physiological. And this is where I find lab testing to be extremely valuable, because it brings objectivity to what is otherwise a very subjective and nebulous journey.